Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to replace a cabin air filter in a Kia Soul. First, open your glove box on the passenger side. Make sure it's completely empty. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and your new cabin air filter. This is a simple maintenance task that improves air quality inside your vehicle and is easy to do yourself, saving you time and money. Next, you'll need to detach the dampener arm, which is usually on the right side of the glove box. Then, carefully press inward on the two stopper tabs, one on each side of the glove box. This will allow the glove box to swing down completely, revealing the cabin air filter housing behind it. Be gentle to avoid damaging any components. Now, locate the cabin air filter housing cover. It typically has two clips, one on each side. Unclip these and then gently pull the cover off. Carefully slide out the old, dirty cabin air filter. Before inserting the new filter, check the airflow arrow on its side and ensure it points downwards, matching the vehicle's air circulation path. Finally, replace the filter housing cover, ensuring the two clips snap firmly into place. Then, lift the glove box back up and push the stopper tabs inward to guide it back into its upright position. Don't forget to reattach the dampener arm to the right side of the glove box. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.